Okay, today we will be looking into the Synapse Protocol and why it might be worth investing in. I personally use it and I think it's both really convenient and promising. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So, what exactly is Synapse Protocol? Also, the token is SYN. So, Synapse is a decentralized bridging solution that lets you move assets from layer 1's sidechains or layer 2's to another. For example, Ethereum to Avalanche, Avalanche to Arbitrum, and so on. Synapse is currently the fastest bridge in the space by far, and it looks really interesting. Synapse has its own cross-chain automated market maker for asset swaps on native chains. The automated market maker uses stable swap function to optimize for swaps between stablecoin assets. So the token. SYN is the governance token for Synapse and giving the holders right over DAO governance. Protocol fees earned from the Synapse bridge are split between the DAO and liquidity providers. In the future, validators that secure the Synapse network will be required to stake SYN and will earn a portion of protocol fee for operating within the network. SYN token give voting right over supply emission, meaning these parameters can be managed dynamically at different stages of Synapse growth. The value proposition of Synapse is important, so let us have a look at it. Synapse is the fastest bridge at scale that I have used, with cross-chain transfer being completed within minutes. Yes, that means it is time to stop waiting 7 days to transfer your assets from Arbitrum to Ethereum. Furthermore, when chains become clogged and slow, Oracle-based bridge and most other traditional bridge become unusable, while Synapse still remains fast and available. Most apps in crypto suffer from unnecessary complexity, which frustrates users and limits their adoption. Synapse is actually very simple and intuitive for users, and this shows in the growth of number. There are currently 14 different chains available today. The team ships quickly and the new chain are added when needed. You can see how everything fits together when markets are hot. You get a fast bridge that is simple to understand and enable bridge across cheaper chains. Potential for any chains to any chain transfer. You might also find Arbitrum opportunities to benefit risk-free gains from pool imbalances. Unlike some other bridges with storage of funds in a small contract on the source chain and minted back token on the destined chain, Synapse work with native assets on both chains. To bridge USDC, Synapse make a sequence of transactions for the user in one click. Swap USD for NUSD on source chain, mint NUSD on the destination chain, immediately swap NUSD for USDC on destination chain, and last, send USD to your wallet. This means you always have normal USDC tokens, not the synthetic asset backed by funds in a bridge smart contract. I think this gives Synapse an improved security model relative to the other types of bridge right now. Synapse have a ton of exciting development in the pipeline. I will cover it for you when new exciting news come from them. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to not miss out on this. If you're new to Synapse, you can find the official links down below in the descriptions. Go there and check it out. I think it's quite intuitive, but you can also read up on the guides on how to use the bridge step by step. So let us look at the Synapse improvement points and risks. Some improvement points that could be made, and I believe will be made, is the following. Batching transaction a few times per day, having a cascading fee schedule to incentivize whale usage, beefing up security efforts due to honeypot nature of business and obvious getting more items to breach. There are some clear risks with Synapse, which is any breach is naturally a honeypot for hackers. The more Synapse is used, the more incentives there is to find a bug in the code. Also, funds get commingled. Any stolen funds would certainly prefer a fast breach versus a slow one that takes days to clear. An example would be commingled funds are potentially at risk should be a stable coin crackdown. Synapse used as an exit breach. Therefore, a pool would be considered tainted. So what about the competition of Synapse? Other projects such as AnySwap can compete on feed, but they still operate at a loss. The main competitive advantage of Synapse Protocol is certainly speed and user experience, since the arbitrage cannot wait hours as the opportunity can close quickly. So the conclusion here is I think this is a really interesting protocol and worth to check out for you all. I see that there is a lot of potential for it and they are on the elbow at the project all the time. So take a look at it. The official link is in the description below. Make sure you to subscribe to not miss out on the update on Synapse Protocol and everything else in crypto. You are warned.